Hello, children. Oh, wow, can you see that? What do you think it is? Oh, yes, it's a bright, colorful, sparkly fireworks. Because today, we're going to do another fun and wonderful activity. The fireworks painting. To start with, here are the things we need. White paper, empty tissue paper rolls, paints or food colors, disposable plates, and a pair of scissors. And let's begin! First, let's create the fireworks stumps. Cut few slits into one end of the tissue paper roll and spread the strips outwards like a flower blossom. Then, pour paints on the plates with any color you like to use. If you are using food coloring, add 3 to 5 drops of it on the plate and mix it with water. Next, prepare the firework stumps and white paper. Then dip the stumps into the paint full of colors and get ready to stump! Thank you for watching!